Hi, this is Rajat. So I have built this flashbot, which is Gemini Nano powered AI tool web application. So I have used React for this web application. So let's quickly go through the features of this project. So it has main idea of this project was to implement FAQs, providing FAQ solution in different ways. So it has two sections, FAQs and chat. So first we'll see FAQs. So this is general FAQ form. So what this we can do is here user can provide whatever the question you wanted to ask. So related to that, he can ask like what is his topic of interest, like cricket, entertainment, technology, or science, anything. So for example, let's say user want to know about anything about cricket. So what he can do is he can say cricket, and he can ask the question who is Rohit Sharma. So as you ask the question, so it will call the Gemini. So for a moment, this is not getting worked. Let's try who is Virat Kohli. So as you see, it has given one response. So basically, by adding this topic of interest, it reduces the hallucination. And so basically, I have done prompt engineering behind the scenes. I directly call the Gemini Nano. Okay, let's quickly go to the chat option and chat option. So here, as the interface suggests, it is a chatbot. Which has this bot can replay, which is AI powered, Gemini and AI powered, and whenever user types, the suggestion will be thrown here. So let's see how the suggestion works. See, these are the suggestions that it has given. So yeah, now what we can do is now we can say what is GDP. Let's ask one question. So as you throw these questions, let's see what this will give. So what I have done is when you throw this to the GPT, I have asked the GPT to give the HTML content. So I have passed it to a certain way. It can be rendered in a better. Yeah, this is the response it has given. Yeah. So they have it can give an example, all the things it is like neatly formatted way. Yeah.